Welcome, dear listener. This is Emilia with One Dreamy Bear, and today I will be taking you on a journey for mental clarity. Before we begin, turn off all distractions and all mechanical equipment. Once you have found a safe place, we shall begin. Take a moment now to find your comfort, letting your body sink deeper into the surface beneath you. As you begin, you might begin to notice the soft sounds around you. Perhaps the gentle hum of the air, or the steady rhythm of your breath, slow and soothing. Each sound reminds you it's time to drift inwards, time to let go of the outside world and enter a space where clarity awaits you. Imagine yourself standing at the beginning of a path. This path is winding, twisting, and turning, almost like it's unsure of where it's leading you. It feels uncertain, a bit confusing. You glance around and see tall trees on either side, their branches casting shadows on the road. The wind picks up, swirling lightly around you, and with it, you feel a sense of disorientation, unsure of which way to go. Perhaps you even feel the winding curves of the road beneath your feet, unsteady at first, as if the direction isn't clear. But as you stand here, take a deep breath, a long, calming breath, and notice how that breath brings a sense of peace. The air feels cool on your skin, refreshing. And as you exhale, you release any confusion, any doubt. Slowly, you begin to walk forward, step by step, trusting that the road will reveal itself in time. With each step, you feel more grounded, more connected to the earth beneath you. The path may still twist and turn, but with each curve, you feel a sense of purpose growing inside. Now let your imagination guide you as you continue walking. The air around you becomes stiller, and the road beneath your feet begins to feel more solid, firm. You walk with purpose. You notice the wind starting to calm, becoming a soft breeze, a loving touch. With every step, the path straightens out a little more. It feels smoother now, easier to walk. And as you move forward, you realize that each curve in the road is leading you exactly where you need to be, towards clarity. As you walk, imagine a light glowing within you, starting with your heart. This light is your inner wisdom, your higher self, always connected to unconditional love and truth. With each step, the light grows stronger, illuminating your path ahead. You feel the warmth of this light expanding towards you, wrapping you in a sense of peace and focus. This light guides you through every twist, through every turn, helping you feel more aligned, more sure of your direction. The road is much clearer now. As you walk, you feel the cool breeze brushing against your skin, like a gentle reminder that you are supported on this journey. You hear the soft rustling of leaves around you, whispering encouragement, reminding you to trust yourself, trust the process. You are no longer lost, no longer confused. Every step forward brings you closer to a state of pure mental clarity. You are fully connected now to your higher self, to a deeper wisdom that guides you with focus and love. The winding road has straightened, and you feel your thoughts become sharper, clear, and steady. Every question, every doubt has softened, leaving behind only clarity, and moving forward into more clarity of mind, of purpose, focus, and purposeful intentions. Take a deep breath, breathing in this new sense of focus, breathing out any lingering tension. And as you do, know that this clarity is now part of you, ready to guide you forward on your journey. You are aligned, connected, and clear, walking the path of your highest self. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Slowly wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath in, and when you're ready, open your eyes to more clarity in your mind. Please feel free to listen to this as many times as you please. See the description below to book a free 30-minute hypnotic session. This is Emilia with the One Dreaming Bear, sending you off with abundance of love, joy, and happiness.